Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Word, open a document and click File, then Options to reach Application Settings. Once there, go to Advanced or Display depending on your Word version. This is where units live. You do this because rulers and measurements follow the global units. Changing them updates margins, tabs, and indents immediately. Make sure to look for a setting labeled Show Measurements in Units of. Click that control to prepare for switching from inches to centimeters. Once you find the Show Measurements in Units of dropdown, click it and choose centimeters. You do this because Word stores ruler units separately from document layout. Switching here converts rulers, margin displays, and dialog boxes to cm. After selecting centimeters, click OK to save and exit options. Then return to your document and look at the horizontal and vertical rulers. They should now show cm marks. If not, double-check you closed options. Changes apply only after you confirm. Now verify the rulers. Go to View and toggle Ruler on so you see the change. If rulers still display inches, save your work and restart Word. Sometimes the UI needs a relaunch to refresh unit displays. If restarting fails, check Windows Regional Settings. Word can inherit measurement units from your OS. Switch to metric there and restart. Finally, if all else fails, update Office. Outdated builds can ignore unit changes. That single restart usually fixes it, though.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.